I'm going to show you exactly how to update content on a WordPress website using only the built-in editor. No plugins, no code. Go to your site's login page and type your username or email, then your password. Click Login. After the dashboard loads, look down the left side and click Pages, then All Pages. You'll see a list of every page on your site. Find the page you want to change, hover over its title, and click Edit. The block editor opens with the page loaded. Click directly inside the first text block. If the heading says Welcome to our website, select those words and type Welcome to our business website. The change shows immediately on screen. To add new text, click the plus button in the toolbar, search for paragraph and select the paragraph block, then type your new content. I always keep new content in its own paragraph block instead of trying to stuff it into an existing block because that keeps the layout from breaking. To change a heading, click inside it. Replace the current text, like Our Services, with Our Professional Services. If you need a different level, click the heading block and choose the level from the toolbar. Now find the image you want to replace. Click it once. In the toolbar, click Replace. If the image is already in WordPress, choose Open Media Library, find the image, click it, and click Select. If it's not uploaded yet, choose Upload. Pick the file from your computer and wait for the upload progress to finish. Then select the uploaded image. The old image is replaced on the page. With the image still selected, look at the Settings panel on the right. Find alt text and type a short description like team members working in an office. Don't leave this blank. It helps with accessibility and search. If the image has a link, click the link text. A small toolbar appears. Click the link icon. Change the URL in the field. I always delete the old URL completely before pasting the new one because leftover characters break the link. To change the link text, select the words and type the new wording like changing Learn More to View Our Services. To add a new link, select the text you want to make clickable, click the link icon, enter the destination and confirm. For a button, click the button once. Change the button text directly like changing Learn More to Get Started. Then look at the block settings on the right, find the link field and change the destination there. Now click the WordPress logo in the top left to get back to the dashboard. Click Posts, then All Posts. Find the article you want to update and click Edit. The post opens in the same block editor. Click inside any paragraph and edit the text like you would in a normal document. Add words, remove words, or rewrite sections. To add a new section, click the plus button, choose Heading, type your new heading, then add a paragraph block underneath for the content. The featured image is over in the right Settings panel. Click the current image, choose Replace, and select an existing image or upload a new one. For your post settings, find categories and select the right category. If you have permission, you can create a new one. Then find tags, remove outdated tags, and add a few that actually describe the article. Do not add unnecessary tags just to have more. If the author field is visible and you have permission, you can change it to the correct author. Before updating, click Preview at the top right. Check for spelling mistakes, bad links, image problems, spacing, and formatting. If the editor has responsive preview buttons, check desktop and mobile views. Make sure text is readable, images fit, buttons are visible, and headings aren't cut off. When you're happy, click Update. That publishes the changes to the existing page or post. If it's still a draft, you'll see Publish instead. Now click View Page or View Post depending on what you edited. That opens the live site. If you don't see your changes, refresh the page with Ctrl-R on Windows or the browser refresh button. Read through the live page and check the text, images, links, buttons, and headings. For the home page, go back to Pages and All Pages, find Home or Homepage, and click Edit. If you're on a block theme, you may instead go to Appearance, then Editor, Open Pages or Templates, and edit the home page or the relevant template. From that same site editor, you can check your navigation menu by selecting the navigation block and confirming the correct pages and links are displayed. The footer works the same way. If you need to update copyright information, contact details, or business hours, check the footer, the contact page, the about page, and the home page. When you're updating older content, check the important links after editing, especially contact information, product pages, service pages, and external links. Replace outdated information like 2025 pricing with 2026 pricing or old business hours with current business hours. If you make a mistake, click Undo in the top toolbar or press Ctrl-Z on Windows. WordPress also keeps revisions for some content, so if you need to review or restore an earlier version, click Revisions in the Settings panel. And the biggest mistake I see is editing a page and leaving without saving. Always click Update before closing the tab. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more WordPress walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful because comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.